Hello New Zealand, I'm Philip Duncan, thanks for joining us. Well, this big high is stuck over us, well, almost stuck over us. It's just a little bit out to sea, out over the Tasman, and therefore it's going to allow a little bit of a windier sou'wester coming through over the next 24 hours. That'll bring in some showers to the southwestern corner, and also across Tuesday we're seeing a little bit more in the way of cloud or anticyclonic gloom for those along the western coastlines, especially places like Auckland. So this is the temperature map for the afternoon. This is the departure from normal. In other words, how much hotter or colder is it? And we're all in the hotter than normal range for the most part. The areas that you see without the colouring, you're in the normal temperature range, but for everybody else, it is warmer than average by day. But by night, not quite the same story. A colder than average night once again for much of the North Island and the eastern side of the South Island, and we're talking about 3, 4, 5 degrees cooler than normal. Let's get into Wednesday's weather, and you can see that windier change moving through, coming in from the southwest angle for the most part. There'll be some showers around Southland and Fiordland, not very much for Southland, and 1 or 2 showers moving up the western coastline. Might even get 1 or 2 for the North Island, but nothing too much. On Thursday, in comes more high pressure. That removes most shower risks. I can see a little shower risk maybe around Canterbury, another one up around the western side of Northland. Really, that's about it for Thursday. For Friday, pretty settled. The centre of the high tracking over the northern part of New Zealand. That will allow for a warmer wind flow to come through. So if you thought it was already warmer than average by day, it'll be even warmer towards the end of this week. And as we head in towards the weekend, Saturday sees a lot of high pressure to the north of the country, but a little bit of rain out to sea. So for the long weekend, it is actually looking pretty good to begin with. A little bit windy through central areas, nothing too major. In fact, that will help push temperatures up in the east. By Sunday, we do get a little bit of shower activity moving in along the entire western coastline. All of this is subtropical, so it'll be mild, warmer than average in the east. It'll be fairly mild even with the showers coming through. And we end on Labour Day Monday, and it looks pretty settled. A lot of high pressure, 3 big centres around New Zealand. But there is this funny little disturbance amongst it all that just might throw a few showers in our way. But this is still a mild subtropical wind as we head towards Labour weekend. But we'll update this again over the next few days ahead. That's all from me. We'll see you again on Wednesday.